Hey everyone, this is John Carrasco once again with Laguna Tools. Today we'll be going over the mirror alignment on the CO2 lasers. This applies to the EX, MX, and the PL1220. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is jog the gantry to the center point of the table, whether it's the EX, MX, or the PL1220. We're going to do that by pressing down on the arrow. That'll center the gantry to the table. Okay, so for this next step, we're going to need masking tape, an Allen, and your keys to unlock the side panel and side door of your CO2 laser. Okay, so first we're gonna wanna open the back panel, side panel, and the side door. We're gonna open the back panel. Okay, so for the side panel, we're gonna need an Allen, unscrew the side panel, set it on top, make sure you don't lose the screw. And now we're gonna wanna open up the side panel with the key provided. This will give you access to mirror 1, 2, and your third mirror, which sits by the nozzle. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna get the masking tape. We're gonna put masking tape over the second mirror and the third mirror, which sits right above your nozzle. Okay, so now that we have the masking tape on mirror 2 and mirror 3, we're gonna wanna come to the control panel and hit the pulse. We wanna make sure that the pulse, the beam is aligned center to the masking tape, and we'll check that. That is dead center. Okay, so this machine is properly aligned, but let's say your machine arrived and it wasn't properly aligned, it's misaligned. First adjustment we're gonna wanna do is at mirror 1 by the laser tube. Let's say your beam is hitting too high. The first adjustment you're gonna wanna do is at the top knob. You're gonna wanna turn it clockwise. If it's hitting too low, you're gonna wanna turn it counterclockwise. And these are micro adjustments. Let's not forget, every adjustment on these laser lenses are micro adjustments. Okay, so now that we have the top adjusted, if you are shooting to the left or the right, you're gonna wanna adjust the bottom left knob. This will adjust to the left or to the right. Make sure every time you do an adjustment, you hit the pulse to make sure that you're getting closer to the center point. And the bottom right will adjust diagonally. Okay, so now that everything is centered to mirror 2, with the micro adjustments we just did, we're gonna wanna move on to mirror 3. Okay, so now that we have mirror 2 aligned, we're gonna wanna remove the tape and move on to mirror 3. Okay, so now to start mirror 3 alignment, we're gonna wanna hit pulse on the control and see where we're at. Dead center. Okay, so let's say this wasn't aligned. We're gonna do the exact same thing we did with mirror 1. This will be done on mirror 2. Top knob will adjust for top and bottom. Bottom left will adjust for left to right, and bottom right will adjust diagonal. Okay, so once you make these micro adjustments on mirror 2, you're gonna wanna go back to the control panel and hit the pulse just to see where we're at with the center point. Okay, so now that we have mirror 3 aligned, we're gonna wanna jog the head to the right side for one last beam alignment. Make sure everything is centered. Pulse it one last time. Make sure it's still hitting in the center, and we should be good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to mirror 3, probably the most important one on the machine itself. This is gonna bring the beam down into the lens and through your nozzle into the material. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do, same thing, put a piece of tape at the bottom of the nozzle. Make sure you get the indentation on that nozzle head. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is hit the pulse and check and see if we're centered. It does show that we are centered on the nozzle, but if we are not centered on the nozzle, if it's hitting to the left, to the right, you are gonna be losing power coming from your laser tube. That is gonna prevent you from cutting and graving properly. So we wanna make sure we do the proper adjustments. Same thing as we did with mirror 2 and mirror 1. we have knobs, those brass knobs at the very top. We're gonna wanna adjust accordingly. Okay, so now that we are all set up, properly aligned with the mirrors, we're gonna wanna reverse the process. We're gonna wanna close the side panel, side doors. Put your panel back on, and then close the back panel to where your laser tube sits. Let's get to cutting. Thank you again for watching. Hope this video helps. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest videos. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.